Hey guys, I'm Liz if you're new here, and if you are a returning subscriber or viewer, thank you for coming back. Today I will be talking about 50 things about me. So, I highly apologize if there is some background noise going on. I am outside trying to use the natural lighting. With Liz. My first name isn't Liz. My first YouTube videos were only for storage. My first YouTube videos are still public on a separate channel. My favorite color is purple. My favorite junk food are cheese fries and macaroni and cheese. Not like junk snacks, but actual food. I would love to travel the world. And I've also been to Europe. I'm 21, I'm single, and I live in Florida. I'm a Christian. My current favorite celebrity is Quincy Brown. I love me some chicken wings, and I can cook. People always tell me when they hear me that I can sing. That's me being modest. I love movies and TV shows, and I also love to binge shows. What other way is there to do it? I was on the news once. On the recent season of American Idol, season 16, which some people call season 1 because they relaunched the show, I knew one of the contestants. The beach police on any given day. I have a small family. I once sang the national anthem at a minor league baseball game. I don't have any children. I have lived in Florida for 10 years. I have 2 middle names. Sometimes I swear I'm adopted. Some of my ancestors are Native American. I've worn glasses since I was 3 years old. I haven't finished college yet, but I am in college, and I've never been hospitalized. I would like to build a house in the future, and another thing is that creating videos that people can relate to online is something that does actually excite me. I am obsessed with watching other people's YouTube videos. And I also go to Church of God the Bible Way in Florida. My church is an organization, and they have churches all over the world, even in Haiti and Cuba. If you are a follower of the vlog channel, then you know that I used to work in a warehouse. My favorite YouTuber right now is Janine Amapola. It was really hard for me to think of 50 things. Also, I used to work at Legoland Florida Resort. I have a vlog channel, and I had a red car, but I always talked about getting a purple ombre on it. I have 2 half-sisters. I love going to the drive-in movie theaters. I am on my braces journey currently, and I've had braces for 1 year and 2 months. My birthday is September 10th. Also, you will notice with this video, I usually have a lot of bloopers. Because guess what? I'll be including bloopers at the end of this video, so please stay tuned till the end to see all the crazy bloopers that I will probably have. I don't wear makeup. I've always had large cheeks. I have a few product and business ideas that I want to pursue. Thank you guys for watching this video today. This video is long overdue. I have had these facts on my phone for, oh my goodness, since March? That's insane. Okay, so I've had these facts on my phone since March, and here's a bonus fact, number 51. Actually 52, I'm pretty sure I already gave you guys a bonus fact. The person that I knew on American Idol was Crystal Alicea, and she does live in the same town as me. It's her hometown, very small town. And maybe in the future you guys will get a video with her and I collabing. I don't know. Stay tuned for that. If you want more videos like this, or if you want to check out the other videos on my channel, all you have to do is subscribe down below, and if you want, hit that notification bell right on the side. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. That link is always down in the description box or somewhere at the beginning of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you liked it. Bye! Oh! I almost forgot. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Bye! I've worn glasses since I was... How rude. I would love to build a house. Oh my baby Jesus. The airplane. Oh! I forgot. And don't forget to get... Oh! Almost forgot. Don't forget... Oh my lord, I cannot talk. Let's just make a note that I made it through this whole entire video without looking at the viewfinder. Oh my gosh.